In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Trello boards. Deleting a board in Trello is a two-step process. You first close the board, which archives it and removes it from your active boards, and then you permanently delete it from the closed boards section. I'll walk you through each part so you can do it confidently and avoid losing anything important by accident. Start by opening Trello and going to your boards page. This shows all the boards you can access. Find the board you want to remove and open it. Make sure you actually want to delete this board. Deletion is permanent and can't be undone. If you need anything from it later, consider exporting data or moving key cards to another board before you proceed. Also, you'll need to be an admin of the board to delete it. With the board open, look to the top right for the three-dot menu. This is the board options menu. Click it to reveal more actions. From this menu, choose Close Board. Closing doesn't delete it yet, it simply archives the board and takes it out of your active workspace. Trello will ask you to confirm, so click Close to proceed. If you're hesitant, remember that you can still back out at this stage because a closed board can be reopened. After the board is closed, head back to your boards page. On this page, look for a link or button labeled View All Closed Boards. Click that to see every board you've closed. This is where you can either bring a board back or remove it forever. Find the board you just closed and choose Delete. Trello will ask you to confirm one more time because this action is permanent. Click Delete again to finalize. Once you confirm, the board and its contents are permanently removed. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you closed a board by mistake, you can come back to the closed boards list and choose to reopen it instead of deleting it. If you don't see the delete option, you may not have admin permissions, or your workspace might have policies that limit deletion. In those cases, reach out to a workspace admin. Finally, consider keeping a backup by exporting data or copying important lists to another board before you delete. That's it. You've closed the board, confirmed the closure, located it in your closed boards, and permanently deleted it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Trello workspace clean and organized.